Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make my Korean inspired fried chicken. So I have here chicken drums and chicken thighs. I cut the chicken thighs in half because they're really big and I want everything to cook at the same time. So I marinate my chicken with a clove of garlic, ginger, onion powder, and some salt. Plastic wrap it and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for about 2 hours. Then I pull it out of the fridge so I could bring it up to room temp and I prepare my dredge. Here I have chili powder, celery powder, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic salt, baking powder, and cornstarch. I mix it well and put it aside. Now here I'm starting on my sauce. I grate 1 clove of garlic and then I bring it to the stove and heat it up with some oil. And once the garlic becomes fragrant, I deglaze the pan with some Chinese cooking wine. Then I turn off the flame and add on my other ingredients. I have your ketchup, chili paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, garlic salt, ginger powder, and then also a few tablespoons of water. And that's pepper. He likes to watch me cook. I bring it back to the heat and I give it a good stir, then I put it aside. Now I start my fryer oil. Here I have a neutral oil, about 1.5 quart. I have a high temperature thermometer and I bring up the temperature to 300 degrees. While that's heating up, I start dredging my chicken. Since the drumsticks are the largest, I drop those first, followed by the other pieces. Once the temperature of the chicken is red at 165, I pull them out and I let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then I bring the fryer back up to 400 degrees and I do a second fry to ensure crispy skin. I fry this for about 10 minutes or until it's the desired color that I want on the chicken. I like to eat radishes with my fried chicken, so I'm just going to cut a couple here. Then I'm going to start assembling my chicken and my sauce. And there you have it, my Korean-inspired fried chicken with a chili sesame sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.